What if the easiest way to make someone do something is to tell them not to do it? Sounds crazy, right? But this is the power of reverse psychology, a clever mind game that uses a person's natural need to rebel. Today, we'll explore 5 deep lessons on how this works, where it appears in everyday life, and how you can protect yourself from it. Lesson 1. The rebel instinct. Inside every person lives a small rebel. It starts in childhood. When parents say, "Don't touch that," a child feels a strong pull to touch it. Why? Because humans value freedom. When we feel someone is taking away our choice, the brain creates tension. This tension is called reactance, a need to do the opposite to prove we are free. Example: a sign in a park says, "Do not walk on the grass." Even if no one wanted to walk there before, suddenly people feel tempted. It's not about the grass, it's about proving independence. Takeaway: reverse psychology works because it speaks directly to this rebel instinct. The more someone values freedom, the stronger the reaction. Lesson 2. Everyday tricks we don't notice. Reverse psychology is not just for children. It hides in friendships, relationships, workplaces, and even advertising. Parents and kids. A mother says, "You probably won't like this vegetable." The child now wants to taste it just to prove her wrong. Romance. Someone says, "You're probably not ready for someone like me." Instantly, the other person feels challenged to show they are. Sales. A shop sign reads, "Only 2 left. Don't buy if you're unsure." This "don't buy" phrase secretly makes you feel it's special and limited. Takeaway: reverse psychology is most powerful when it gives the other person a choice, but frames the choice so their pride pushes them toward the result you want. Lesson 3. How to use it carefully. Reverse psychology can be a tool if used with care and honesty. The goal is not to hurt, but to guide. Step 1. Know their desire. This trick only works if the person secretly wants the thing you mention. If they don't care, the rebel switch won't flip. Step 2. Stay calm and casual. If you sound pushy, it feels fake. A simple, "Maybe you don't need to finish this today" is enough. Their mind thinks, "Watch me finish it." Step 3. Offer a small challenge. People love to prove others wrong. Use small statements like, "Most people can't do this." It sparks curiosity without sounding like an order. Example: a coach says, "This workout is tough. Most people quit halfway." Suddenly, the team pushes harder to prove they are not most people. Takeaway: when done gently, reverse psychology can inspire growth, confidence, and action. Lesson 4. The dark side. Like any powerful tool, reverse psychology can turn dangerous. Some people use it to control partners, employees, or friends. Signs of manipulation. Someone always tells you not to do something they secretly want. They create fake limits to push you into action. They act innocent while steering your choice. Example: a partner says, "Maybe we shouldn't spend time together. You probably have more exciting people to meet." The goal is to make you chase them. Takeaway: be alert. Ask yourself, do I want this because I truly choose it, or because someone told me not to? Awareness breaks the spell. Lesson 5. Protecting your mind. Knowing the game is the best defense. When you feel a sudden urge to prove someone wrong, pause. Step 1. Breathe and wait. Don't react immediately. The longer you wait, the weaker the pressure. Step 2. Question the trigger. Ask, do I really want this, or do I just want to rebel? Step 3. Own your choice. Say to yourself, I'm deciding because I choose, not because of their words. Example: a friend says, you probably won't dare to speak in the meeting. Instead of jumping to prove them wrong, take a moment and decide if speaking is what you want. Takeaway: reverse psychology loses power when you stay calm and keep control of your choices. Reverse psychology is everywhere, at home, at work, in love, and in ads. It works because people hate losing freedom. Used with care, it can motivate. Used in secret, it can manipulate. Your best defense is awareness. When someone says, "Don't do it," stop and ask, "Do I want this, or do I just want to rebel?" If you want part 2 of this series, make sure to subscribe.